Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So the bloodbath continues. Bitcoin down to 4,400 per coin. XRP still maintaining its grasp at 45 cents approximately. Ethereum down to 133. Stellar is now taking the number 4 spot over Bitcoin Cash. But guys, look at Bitcoin Cash, $217 per Bitcoin Cash, down over 39% in the last 24 hours. It's not looking good for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. These hash wars are really doing a number on the crypto space. Nevertheless, eToro says crypto traders are now buying Bitcoin and XRP. And if you go down here, I'm just going to read a little bit of this. The senior market analyst at social trading platform eToro says investors are buying Bitcoin and XRP amid the crypto market dip. And we go down here, Matty Greenspan's tweet, and he shows a little graph, and this is the Bitcoin hold. Clients at eToro have used this crypto price drop to increase their BTC stacks. The red circle shows a small yet clear uptick in client holdings since November 14th, and you can see that up here. However, look at this chart. Total amount of XRP held at eToro continues to climb, and guys, as you can see, the Bitcoin has kind of remained stagnant, and there was a bit of an uptick, however. I don't know if you can tell here, but this trend is going a little more on the vertical here. If you can see, it's a steady climb for XRP. CNBC reports that in a new note to clients, Greenspan said he believes the current climate is a buyer's market and he's looking to see if the price holds at about 5,000. Well, this was written a little bit ago, and as we can see, BTC has gone under 5,000. So the next logical support level isn't until 3,500. So we could continue to see BTC to drop. And I went on Twitter, saw this guy's tweet here, Gregory Lucas. Guys, yesterday I sold every coin I have, including BTC, and bought XRP. It's the only coin I have now. I am more excited than I have ever been. We are all going to get SHIT rich together, and that is true. And his tweet took off, 32 retweets, 238 likes. And then 21 minutes ago, he wrote, wow, this tweet really did take off. What a community. Amazing. You know, we do have a great community. The XRP community is amazing. And so I was thinking about Gregory Lucas's tweet, looking at the price of Bitcoin on the daily, and as you can see, this huge dump here. You compare it to XRP, and I know I did this yesterday, guys, not as much of a downtrend here, and you can see resistance in this last day, long candlestick tails, long wick, shorter body, compared to that of Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin USD. And these are just long red candlesticks down, making the movement down. Downward momentum continues. And so this begs the question, do I dump my BTC for XRP? And guys, first off, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before making these types of decisions. However, if you have a BTC position and you're looking to bail on it, I'm going to give you guys a for instance on what you would need to recoup your initial investment if you were to buy XRP instead at this price. So let's say you're in Bitcoin or any other altcoin, for example. I'm going to use Bitcoin for this example just because I did the math with Bitcoin. And let's just say, for sake of argument, you bought Bitcoin at $9,800, so roughly so maybe you got into this market a while ago, even before the uptrend here. You bought here around the $9,800 mark. You saw it go up. You thought it was going to continue to go up, but it crashed, and then you've just kind of been holding the bag, waiting for it to go up again. Or conversely, you know, in and around here, this is the 9,800 mark, you know, somewhere around here in February, March, you thought, you know, there was an upswing here. You saw Bitcoin go up and you thought it was going to continue, but it didn't, and it did go down. Nevertheless, we're just going to use the example of you bought Bitcoin at $9,800 and now it's worth about $4,500, okay? So that is a percentage decrease of 54% in your total investment. So 54% decrease in your total investment, and I do give a for instance here. So let's say you put $10,000 into Bitcoin when it was worth $9,800 a coin, and now it is currently worth $4,600. So you've lost 54% on your investment. You take your money out. You think to yourself, okay, I'm going to roll this $4,600 into XRP. XRP right now is trading at around 46 cents. Let's go to XRP USD. And so XRP is trading roughly 46 cents, 46 cents. But as we've seen in this crypto bloodbath, it has been holding its own. and the potential for it to go higher is quite high for various different reasons, not just a spec market, of course. It does have real world utility. So you say to yourself, I'm going to put my $4,600 into XRP at a price of 46 cents, okay? Now, if you put your money in, and I know these numbers might get a little confusing because it's 4,600 and 46 cents, but bear with me, guys. You put your money into XRP, $4,600 now. You bought it at 46 cents. Now all you need to see is an increase of 117% in order for XRP, in order for you to get back to your $10,000 mark, okay? And when you multiply 46 by 117%, you need to see an XRP at about $1 to recoup your money. So $4,600 times 117% would bring you to approximately the $10,000. It's not quite 10,000, it's 9,982 bucks because I just rounded down the decimals. But guys, this goes to show you that it isn't the end of the world. I guess the question is, do you have faith that XRP will go to $1 versus Bitcoin going back to $10 anytime soon? And in what time frame? I guess that's also very important to understand too. Could XRP hit $1 before Bitcoin goes back to $9,800? Considering the action we've seen on XRP, I don't think $1 is a very, very outlandish estimate at all. That said, some people might disagree with me. They might think that Bitcoin might see a $9,800 price before XRP hits $1. Nevertheless, I personally think that this scenario is way more likely just because of the real world utility we are beginning to see with XRP, XRapid coming online, real world utility occurring, partnerships are gelling. And guys, once again, let's just take a look at these charts. You look at XRP USD versus BTC USD. Oops, BTC USD. And, you know, the dump continues. I'm curious to see what happens, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.